Hey now, it's Chris Fifo, your Darwin Perennials and Keep Seed product representative, here to introduce to you Darwin Perennials' this new Agastache Summerlong series. 5 colors to suit your palette here. What's fantastic about these is that they are so early to flower compared to what we've seen on other Agastache on the market. So with that very early flowering, we're getting a very extended flower season to go along with these as well. What I love about these also is that they're a fantastic item for the north. In the south, they're going to be more hardy, but you have a great pollinator item. The hummingbirds couldn't even wait till I was finished setting up the display here to come and take advantage of these new Agastaches. Because the 5 colors in Agastache Summerlong are so well timed as far as flowering goes, it makes it very easy for you to design your own color combination. Here we have a little display. We can put 3 colors in here. We can add a 4th, coral, yellow, and magenta. Maybe we want to throw a peach in there as well. Design your own combos with Agastache Summerlong series. To learn more about our Agastache Summerlong series, visit our website or like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.